Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita and today is day number 4 of our 30 days of yoga series. So today is Mindful Movement Monday and we are just going to be focusing on moving very mindfully through our practice, noticing how different movements and different poses feel in our bodies. So today all you will need is yourself and your mat. So grab those things and we'll get started. So we're going to start at the top of the mat, but grab your blanket if you have one, if you like one for your knees. And I'm just going to put it about in the middle of my mat. And then I'm going to come back to the top of the mat. So let's just lift the toes for a second. Being sure that the ball of the foot and the heel are grounded into the mat. If you have flat feet like I do, you might want to lift the arch area just slightly and then replace the toes back down. Lift the shoulders up towards your ears, down and back. And then stack your ears over your shoulders, starting in mountain pose, Tadasana. We'll start here with 3 deep breaths. So let's inhale through the nose. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. And then bring your hands to your hips. Shift your weight to your left foot. Lift your right heel. And then start to lift the right knee up as you find a focal point in front of you to focus on. You can flex the right foot. Continue the breath here. And then you'll slowly start to reach the right foot back as you hinge forward. Might find you're a little wobbly here, that's okay. Start to bend the left knee and then step the right foot back. Whoop. Keeping the right ball of the foot down on the mat and lifting that heel. Coming into a high lunge here. Reach the arms up. Inhale. And then exhale as you lift the chest and reach the arms back. Starting to feel the stretch in the right quad. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Torso is facing forward. Exhale as you start to lower that right knee down. Slowly. Once you're down, top of the right foot is down. And then you're gonna bring your hands down to the inside of your left foot. You may want to walk the left foot over to the left side a little more. And then you're gonna keep your left hand down. Reach your right arm up. A little bit of a twist here. Notice how it feels. You may notice that the breathing changes in the twist. That's okay. And then bringing the right hand down. Right hand stays down. Left arm reaches up. Reaching up towards the ceiling with that left hand. Pressing down through the right. Keeping a bend in the left knee. And then replacing the left hand down. Walk the hands back. And we're going to start to bring the hands back to our hips. Tuck those right toes under. And then we're going to start to lift the right knee. Still a bend in the front knee. And then start to bring the right foot forward as we come back to raising the right knee. Balance here, finding your focal point once again. And then exhale as you bring that right foot down. Release the hands down by your side. Inhale as you reach the arms out and up. On the exhale, bring your arms out to the sides and then start to bend at the hips as you come forward. And we're just coming halfway. We're gonna hold here. So kind of like we're in a half forward fold. Be sure not to hang out in your knees here, not locking the knees out, having a micro bend there. Hold for 2 breaths. And then slowly start to reach back up with the arms as you stand. Exhale, arms down by your side. Back into mountain pose. Stand here for 3 breaths. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then just readjusting here. I'm just going to pull my blanket up a little bit. Coming back into our mountain pose. Again, if you have to reposition, lifting the toes, follow the foot and heel is down, lifting the arch and replace the toes back down on the mat. Lift the shoulders up towards your ears and then down and back. You'll start to feel the shoulder blades pull together. Relax the shoulders where they are. And then we're going in for round 2. Bringing the hands to your hips. Shifting your weight to your right foot this time, lifting the left heel. And then we're going to lift the left knee. And you can flex that left foot. And just notice how this side is different from the other. This may be your better side for balance. It may be a little bit worse than the other side. That's okay. Just acknowledging that observation. And then start to hinge forward, reaching that left foot back, and then stepping that ball down on the mat, keeping a bend in the right knee. Reach the arms up, inhale. On the exhale, lift the chest as you reach the arms back. Coming into your back bend. Might feel a little wobbly here, that's okay. Inhale. Exhale, hands down to your hips. And then we're slowly lowering the left knee down to the mat. See if you can softly land. And then bring the left toes, or the front of the left foot down on the mat. And then we're reaching the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, bring the hands down to the inside of the right foot. You may want to walk the right foot out a little bit to the right. And then keeping the right hand down, keeping a bend in the right knee, and then reach the left arm up. Come into a little twist. Pressing down through the right hand, lifting, reaching through the left. And then bringing the left hand down, we're going to switch. So planting the left hand, reaching the right arm up. Again, pressing down through the left hand, reaching through the right. And bringing the right hand down. Start to walk the hands back as you bring them back to your hips. Tuck the left toes under. And then you're going to slowly lift the left knee. Coming back to our high lunge. So front knee is bent, back leg is straight. And then we're stepping forward. And coming back to our balance, lifting that left foot, flexing the foot. Notice how the balance feels now. You may wobble a little bit, that's okay. And then replace the left foot down. Release the arms down to your sides. And then let's inhale as we reach the arms out and up. Exhale as you bring your arms out to your sides and then start to bend or hinge at the hips. Like we're coming back to our half forward fold. Again, not locking out the knees, keeping the upper body up, using your abs, using a little bit of the back muscles. Hold here for 2 breaths. And then slowly inhale, reaching up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Coming back to our mountain pose one last time. We'll end with 3 deep breaths here, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One last time. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Thanks everyone for joining me today for a little bit of mindful movement. I hope that you were able to notice your own body awareness and connect with your body in a different way. And I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow for day number 5 of our 30 days of yoga journey.